Okay, we do a couple trick question. Okay, all right. First of all, how to build a table. Um, in 15 30 seconds. Okay, the trick table. All right. So the first thing we do, we write down 0, 30 degree, 45, 60, and 90 degree. And we write down. Let's change the color. So we write out the color then. 1. So we start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we take the square root of these number and divide by 2. Okay? This right here is this number right here. For example, first one I take the root of 0 over 2. 1 over 2. 2 over 2. 3 over 2. 4 over 2. Okay, I write out, but for you doing it to save time, you don't have to do this. It's just explaining. So I write it down. Now 0 divided by 2 is 0. Okay, so we have that. This one here is 0. This one here is 1/2. Root 1 is 1. Root 2 over 2. Root 2 over 2. Root 4 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. We just built the table, the value for the sign. This is sine theta. Alright, to do cosine, very easy. This go here. This go here. Okay? And this go here. And this go here. Okay? And now this goes straight out. Okay? That's it, done. To find the tangent,
So we know that
you take
Martino.
sine divide cosine. So 0 divide 1 is 0. Okay, inside, outside. So we have root 3 over 3. This one here the same, so equal 1. This one here becomes root 3. In this case, we have 1 divided 0 is undefined. That is the value of tangent.
I don't know, that's a random variable.
That represents angular.
Now to find cotangent,
What variable should I choose?
Write your equation.
0 go here, undefined go here, root 3 go here. Root 3 go here, and 1 go here. That's it. Okay, cosecant is secant done. Now, if someone gives you a psi x equal, let's say 1/2, high phi x. To phi x, you find inverse function of arc sine. Okay, you put it in color, you can find out. So now, you go from here to here. But if someone give you this, you're going to go back this way. So it's a circle. That will be the key for all this. Okay, so now let's do it.
We know that.
Okay, now, hey, can I borrow the question you did earlier, number 32, right?
Yeah.
All right, we do 32. This is what one of the students just asked me right now. We have cosine of inverse sine
Lambda?
of negative 2 over 3. What? Why did they change the color? Okay, not sure why, but we go back to our color. Alright, let's do this one then. Alright, so we have.
Oh,
Yes, but what is it really describing? It's a radius.
Okay.
What the
All right.
For something to get the length.
The ratio.
And they want to know.
Yeah.
The ratio. So you're looking for
So
the
they're here
ratio
2 over 2.
of ln to L or L to ln.
L to LN.
How do we find that?
They want us to find this value. How you do it?
I'm guessing I'm just gonna solve for LN.
Okay.
And then solve for
I keep copy wrong.
Or
Okay, so it is 2 over 3 then. The first one was right. Okay. All right. So
two equations.
we want to know what's this. It's called x. All right. Let's untangle this one by one.
2 pi divided by
So we do sine
take 2 pi round
negative 1.
ln over t.
We have 2 over 3.
Pi squared L
Let's call this one something else. Let's call Cambridge. Just call C.
by the two equations.
Okay. So basically this whole thing right here.
divide the 2.
EC. All right. So at the end, we will try to find this guy, cosine of C.
What I'm hearing is
Because we put the whole thing C equal that.
over 6.25.
Okay. Now, how do we do this? So let's change to the red color. All right. Let's go slow. We gotta use this method right here.
That's a very common thing.
Okay. So if someone give me the oxide,
Okay, and then
okay, so we do this. Meaning what? Sine C equal what? Negative 2 over 3. Okay? So usually if we have a positive number, for example, if we have 4 over 5, easy, right? We draw a triangle. And we write out
The square root. Don't
4 over 5.
forget the square root.
And this one here will be 3.
Under the square root.
This one here will be C, angle C, right? But in this case, negative. So what do? We can't do that. So we're going to use this.
wait, that would just be the square root of 2 over 2.
Yeah, but in this case it'll be the square root of.
So we're going to do this.
L over N.
Okay? So cosine equal what? Bring sine squared to the right
And then we get square root.
and take square root.
Now you got it. Square both sides.
Okay?
Exactly.
Now,
And then
remember, every time you take a square root, we have what? Plus and minus.
balance stuff.
So we have what?
Work out the ratio.
How would I even find the ratio?
1 minus. What is sine? We learned already here. So we put in here. And we sweat. And we will have, let's continue here, set space.
I got 0.165.
Write it down. Write L over L in units
So we have
equals
5 over 9. Or root 5 over 3. Okay?
rounded to
Guess what?
second.
The cosine we're looking for is exactly the same thing cosine here. So the answer right here also is what?
Perfect.
X.
Now what?
And we're done.
Now this
Voila.
is no longer algebra.
That's how you do this question in the simple way, easy. Boom, we out.
Changed by 17%.
Thank you. Bye-bye. How do we pause? All right. And that's what we do right here so far.
The
We do a lot of this stuff right now.
Wait.
Piece of cake.
This is just old one. The new
the
one.
length is
Okay. Bye-bye.